2013 to 16 Honda Accord oil service reset. If you have a Honda Accord with the navigation, not really navigation, but a display setup like this, you don't need to go through the instrument cluster. You can just do it through the display screen. You're going to have the vehicle running when you do this, so you can get option settings. You're going to go to settings. You're going to go to vehicle settings. Otherwise, if the vehicle's not on, that system will not be able to be accessed. It's going to be only grayed out. It's going to be highlighted once the vehicle is running. You're going to select vehicle settings. You're going to scroll down using the knob like this. So down to maintenance. Oops, I passed that right there. Maintenance info. Maintenance reset. You're going to select. Now you're going to see I'm displaying here 5%. Over here you're going to see 5% oil and tire rotation. You're going to select. Would you like reset? You're going to select again. And that's it. 100% all checked out. Thank you.